Would you like to know the ending between these words? I bet you would. What I'd like to do is I'd like to pronounce them for you first, because I think you can hear the difference after this. Let's start. Starting with P and B. Remember, they're the same position. P, ba. But P is only air and B is voiced. Anyway, lap, lab, cap, cab, tap, tab. Another voiceless voiced combination that we have is K and G at the end of words. For example, lock, log, pick, pig. Or the most common probably, ending T or ending D at the end of words. And they are the same position as well. T is voiceless, only air, t, t, t. And D is voiced with vibration, da, da, da. Looking at these examples and listening, at, add, bright, bride. Did you hear the difference? If the word has a voiceless ending, for example, P, pa, 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 K, 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 or T, 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 the word sounds, that's right, short. And if the word has a voiced ending, B, ba, 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 G, ga, 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 or D, da, 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 it sounds longer. So, again, at, add, tap, tab, lock, log. That's how you hear the difference in your listening tests. Laugh, listen, learn. See you next time.